That's what I was talking about. Right in there, there's a hole that goes into the bushing in there. How much overtime do you want to pay?
How many overtime hours would you need?
At least half an hour.
It's 10 hours. Half an hour?
At least half an hour.
Yeah,
At most, I don't fucking know. Couple hours?
it's 10 hours.
Put the timing chain on and then I'm gonna kill the camera because or turn the camera off. I didn't say properly, did I? God damn. Apparently I gotta do things properly. Can't just half-ass it. Hiya. Well, that's boring. Even Justin says I'm not allowed to half-ass it. Why is this job supposed to be only 5 hours? Or only 5 hours, 10 hours. Oh, that freaking flashlight wants to take off still. This is not really even a flashlight anymore, it's a pod. What is that? 2350-20? Rover multi-directional floodlight. I am going to forget that again. Just like every other time I've looked at it, because I've already bought one. I don't need to buy another one. I completely forgot all the research I did on it because I already bought one. No, you're not having a stroke. The freaking light died. Just a minute. I bought like 15 of these 2 amp hour Milwaukee batteries because they were going on sale for $24 each, I think. Every time I go in there, I grab a couple. Suppose I should actually torque those. What the hell? The corner of that guide is sharp. Yep, very sharp right there. Alright, torque wrench 84 inch-pounds. I wonder who decided on that number. Oh well, I don't need to know who decided on that number. Perfectly fine with me. 7 foot-pounds. Box full of goodies. Oh, these are the fancy ones. Oh, okay, leave those on the cams. But move them out of the way. That'll be that guy. Okay, remember, we didn't torque those yet. Just remember, we didn't torque those yet. Children's songs. Molly had a dolly, bleh. Sick. Yeah. that song of any song they stuck in my head. All I'm asking is just for the wiring harness to stay out of the way. Just right there. Just out of the way. Just stay. Okay, turn those so the chain can pass over them. Okay, we gotta get our guide for the rear side. I don't know. The other one was on the outside. Why do they want this one on the inside? Oh well. Nope. Damn it. This one has to go on before the gears because this bolt is behind the gear. Alright. That guy's still there, that's good. Short chain. And a gear set. Where's your mark? Right above the keyway. There we go. Confirm that before we tighten anything down. Right there. Well, that'd be the one. You are great. Haven't got an answer yet on bolts, so we're not going to torque these yet. Just put them on there. Because we can take them back off and put bolts on. That's not a big deal. But yeah, that's why you put them on first. That bolt. I haven't been able to successfully sneak it out of there. Pull the pin. Pull the grenade, throw the pin. That one's there, that one's there. Pull that pin. Well, don't have Alex do them right now. He's torquing the truck. Is there enough room for the chain through there? Maybe. Let's back those bolts off just a little bit first. Just a little bit. And then we can move that around just a touch. We'll keep this guy over here. Get all prepared. Are you watching Grey's Anatomy? Are you watching Grey's Anatomy? Okay. We need to go just a little bit farther. Still half a tooth out. There we go. Dot, black mark, dot, black mark. King Julian? Okay, let's check out the bottom. Yep, right there. Should be right there. I'm gonna start this and check it. Oh, let's check her out. Yeah, we're on the dot right there. Okay, we're good. And cam to cam, we're super tight.